Welcome to the grist mill at Philipsburg Manor. Following 4 years of restoration and reconstruction, the grist mill is once again grinding corn and wheat. The rebuilt bridge over the Picantico River's mill pond welcomes guests to come explore the restored mill and wharf. Visitors will hear about Caesar, an enslaved African miller who would produce 30,000 pounds of flour per week. Caesar's unpaid labor benefited Adolph Phillips, a wealthy merchant and enslaver who owned the property here in Sleepy Hollow, New York. Caesar had skills and knowledge to operate the complex grist mills. To produce high-quality flour, he would sharpen the stones once or twice a month using tools like this mill pick. This was called millstone dressing. Over here, Caesar would use wooden equipment, the hopper and the shoe, to set the rate at which the grain was fed between the stones. This tool is called the tentering staff. It actually raises or lowers the 2,400-pound runner or millstone. Caesar would use the tentering staff to adjust for the fineness or coarseness of the flour he was producing, as well as adjust for the different types of grain he might be grinding. Visitors today will see how the water-powered mill grinds flour between two French burr millstones that would have been imported from France in the 18th century. Philipsburg Manor's grist mill grinds yellow corn and certified organic hard red winter wheat that was grown by Seneca Grain and Bean in Penang, New York. These grains make delicious breads. Tours of Philipsburg Manor today are a multi-sensory experience. Visitors can turn on the water-powered wheel, see the water wheel turn, hear the large gears intermesh, and smell the flour being produced. However, you cannot taste the flour here, but you can purchase a bag or two to make your own delicious bread or cookies at your home or give as a holiday gift.